has to do with the government of Ghana through the Attorney General to Anamombi. Edi kan yete se nipa no bia no mugina court ayedi omasem oponi ekomo simfie nsuni asemfie nwoche aban no edi krata akọ asem di bia se wa withdraw asem no enti na che se wa withdraw de a enye dey nya de auto aso bi kra onye interested na if you want more Esiama Johnson, Deputy Bank of Ghana Governor, was accused in the involvement of the banking sector or how I buy, you know. Abayno de Kratako SMDB as Oma withdraw Nasem
93.1 FM.
Or withdraw Yana. Ya appointing as acting the Bank of Ghana Governor. Ato forcing, ya withdraw Kwakubuahen issue, ya withdraw Oposuan Pofu. Enti amani pani people say why all these withdrawals? But yabeba no swabe din komo but see idea. Honorable Erikafo, NDC MP for Amenfi West. Justin Kodiano pa MPP General Secretary and Judicial commodity to just say, Anne, they will not attend to public hearing to investigate the chaos at the vetting committee. And Ebio, Oma Katra Omunkro also say, Omunya day, Omunkom Rasebe Jafie because you rababi need 2 minutes to me a day. Suspended Omo. Honorable Erikafo me wachano pay.
That was the meaning I want to say.
Me who ya pa now usum pom to say.
I'm not doing that. Sorry, I will pay the judging company.
Yeah, no bad yasi. Madam man ye koso mrasebe dwafie na ye je wonte ho. Ene se eno andi PP4 ye incentral for nhia mu de to ye nim se as a party no ye NDC e wo mrasebe dwafie pese omungurehuna wo mo with their numbers. Ebio Ewura your friend or Gifty Jiage Goba or ye clerk to the committee no ne niema bi a oye mwa ye rababin so akọ suspend nipa miensa wo mafa in the person of Tampuli, in the person of Anodompre and Jerry Ahmed enunti no wo mo de ye rababin ni say 2 minutes ne wo mo ka tro mo nkrofo se wo mo komra se bejafie esan say the area babina no etiamra kopim say omede omobeko privileges committee na committee na tu anamon say ni no maye nti omode nyano say eba na sa asotwe bi wana say beja wo no de ewura babin ni sa atumi no the ehwe no TV so Ghana for ani anye ho obi e ka ne de na ekoduru na hye bedwafie de a na aye house of record na ensem no emu ayedu odaroma de na wo kafa ho
yo minya mortgage and that was no paper. I hope so to can you pa
me tell on kan rabafo
yo my man was so pregnant my man and chia etie ko na ahwefo nyina wo Sompa FM Sompa TV my man ka say the ekoso na she bedroom no men pese mekan wie no na ye nyina ye hu se MPP a support party and the minority in parliament omo pese kemami ka bi na ya hye nga na afefe no on pese omo sen wo obam na hye bedwuma ye o mre de ye dwuma ewo first of all say omo ka say the Speaker of Parliament when they to me say obe suspended and now back at Chesa who say mama mun see Parliament ha and omun nim emra ebo Parliament mobile omun they don't know I got make us and say you know and the former member of Parliament no free seshi the quiet secretary also me pa okay sir member of parliament no
Kokwa free
Kwaku free former minister for health no work for abreso osan be minister ewo omapanyin nana dango kufu adu abreso na se be dwam ye speaker e pam me fi ho okay e pam me fi ho sema monsi parliament later oko patch as standard e de no ba parliament no as a speaker na so and over emremu so a ye wa protocol ho a speaker you see wo ma protocol na nye Ghana protocol you from marshal of Ghana's parliament your special team ho a being led by marshal and at any point in time the speaker he said want to create mayhem, want to create confusion in the process of parliament, whether at the plenary or at any point in time within the premise of parliament. Speaker one point said, Rebecca just said, in see parliament. And I don't know why they are saying this. One more thing here, they should go and plead, write an apology letter to the Speaker of Parliament. Now, I want to form more abeti, say, say, Speaker, no can say, the 4 members of Parliament, the MOBS Parliament.
Honorable Afo. Honorable Afo.
He will be arrested. Parliament.
Honorable Afo, Mami Musawe. Honorable Kwaku, every year, dear no. Ebi mu kyerɛ standing order normal speaker kwan in the court of proceeding in the process of proceedings in parliament obi ye bibi anya otumi hye marshal say ompamu no mfiri ho and nipa no any to me say obeba saa da no abɛyɛ adwuma ba ade kye nipa no betumi aba saa na te ana ente saa wada ma boaye
enye ade kye obetumi aba. Now this year, our parents of Saka is on console. They don't forget that much. I suspect say Uba be kitty problem. So leave the chamber. Or the last of the tablet actually. There's no law like that. Wow. I don't want to use the word arrogance. I don't use the word arrogance for the MPP as a minority in parliament. But no wonder they are in minority. And they have less people in parliament. So they just wanted to be heard by the public to appease the MPP people in this country. Other than that, I don't know why they should flout all these rules. And yet, say mobile parliament. So I said, yeah, you can send a delegation to the office of the Speaker of Parliament for better, arrangement. That's what their press conference said. You let them come, they'll be arrested. They should come. A common fast war or multi a soldier for apartments. No, they should come. You want peace in this country? Want peace in this country? How come say we met him do reaction now almost 3 hours asking him of his personal issues? Personal 3 hours. Who are there? Yeah, vex in him. Yes, or uncle. Who controls parliament? Who controls parliament? I say I mean from Ghana. The non-cabinet, they do actually. Parliament, is being controlled by the Speaker of Parliament. If we are Parliament, will be of that position, he has been trusted that power by the Speaker of Parliament. So we are committee chairperson. The Speaker has given you the spirit to become the committee chair. If you are ranking, you are being given the authority by the Speaker of Parliament. So you work for the Speaker of Parliament. It is we are minority leader. Minority leader, you are working for the Speaker of Parliament. Who's the head? They will rescind their decision they want to take this morning. Said they want to enter Parliament, they want to enter the plenary. They should stop it. The people should call them this morning and advise them. Say, thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable. Eric Affle. On also so na dwenkyere ewo eho no no.
Now we are preamble of case B. Aha. Now so I wanted to continue.
Honorable, we're going to deal with Honorable Aduji. We're calling Aduji on that issue. We want to speak to issues as to who is well vexed in that. Honorable Erica for you better say. Now, and I don't pay a share Honorable for saying you don't call former DC from place and him. Lawyer George Pong, Subabe can't yensa. No pay a mamisha semenya lawyer Bafwa, Nean Chinkomo. He's raised concern on the government issues. Bakumi Numi and say abino day. Withdrawals of cases are not omunkro for ewo asemdibia. Na maminkwa homan so. Lawyer AJ Nana J Bafwa who I'm watching. Nyamina dom now pom to say. Member of Parliament for Menchia South in the nature Chenkomano pay. What raise the issue? What's them to say? Ufi say a bad precedent. Emma Ghana. Yamra sem say a abain be bana nincrofo mujina sem dibia abo mukwa eduno. Womo be day. Obe chia 7 free court to cry or see on con conca sem bill. Ebumba se MPP abreso ABC entino ne wanwane dey na ma we yesronko ema eyehu anu nti ofi se wo se Ghana for asonte na ye de wo se ye kan ye kama menti o
me pacho me chia na me chia me pesu asofo me chia south for me chia o mudana chia o bibio so am tra ai bo ai chi na
Mr. Ma on so kakra wa na se oni no fo
ko so a me chia south for nara me se wo mo mpai bo papa omobo mayen no mo ko so a mo mayen na dwumadi a omodi ahye yensa no yankopon nam yeso na yentumi eni ni yie ekosumi nu eye abrantia na no okọ nsu atreman kotoko supporter okohire ne nkwana na poli the man nebusia nyina ya akọ isi ye no na nsesiesie na nso sebe nyankopon ko ani ni ntia bibisa aba tinisire nyame se onhye omoden na football fans nyinara yemfanya futu aye sebe onipa nkwa sebe nyade aye didi agro owo abusia wo ma sebe ohre o mani hre ne nkwa abusia ne ma de ne beye omobeye intimisro bi ayi tu anamo yenkai se bi uni ni pe dili enyo no nko ana edili woni na busia woni ne manyina na edili uye ni bibia se bi o ni pa ade no e be affect wo mo inti mo nyina ya akọ ne yenwene saade
okay
misremo Ghana mai ntie me kakra asemu a yedi tudwai ya asemu a se bi ehu hie yie adintia sebe yenyina ye Ghana for to be the bonia sebi itwase mrani ni die na nipe ya apan ba ye wo se na akufo ado no do mugina siniye awudi wo masem na sebe ene wo se charges no wa withdraw sebe be ya se ni pay asiniya na ye do mugina wo munyina bio be pacho emu ba ko a me ehia mi yie tesini yira ehia me free se one wo show mo a ye yi wo withdraw charges ni nyina free omukọ na omunyina ye NDC for eno ma wo bisa se abai kwaba power no sebi NDC ni di unya asem a sebi yemfa ni nkogina aseniya na enti se being a card-bearing member of the NDC no eno kwa guarantee se wo ye boni a sebi ye ntwa so e wo Ghana ha sana se akoyo we say obaye no na yewra opuni ugina court wa opening the defense it is a wo share na se oni boni biara se bi ebem ye de na court mu a jano nanka case no onwie na judge nka se abrantie uhuson aha ye do begina ye no se bi nanka boni nye de eni ho nanso we die wa amana amane sa wakɔ withdraw charges no ayɛ dɛn efiri ne kɔn wa withdraw charges no so ate aseɛ ɛna wosi ɔmo hu so ɔmo nyɛ dɛn ɔmo nkɔ na wohyɛ the governor of the Bank of Ghana no a papa yi deɛ nti yɛde ne kɔgyina asɛnniɛ ne sɛ banks dodoɔ a egu wɔ kurom ha sei no yɛsei sɛbe ne nsa wɔ mu bi
ɔsɛ deɛ ba deɛ banks
na yɛtutu mu no na wokae sɛ nana ado baayɛ ekohia sɛ banks ni bi wɔ hɔ a yɛbɛtum wokae Unibank wokae Royal Bank wokae banks bebree yɛtutu mu na wohyɛ banks yi a na yɛ maame nom yɛ nua maa nom yɛ papa nom yɛ wɔfa nom ebinom sika gu hɔ so ate aseɛ a besi nɛ ebinom nsa nka ɔmo sika wokae a na yɛ nua nom binom nso yɛ adwuma wɔ hɔ a esan bank na egu yɛ ne nti nɛ ɔmo ni adwuma yɛ so ho ɛma aban ekohia sɛ aban kɔgye besia 28 billion cedis ɛde betuatua saa sika yi a nkurɔfoɔ a na ɔmo sika gu hɔ ɛsi ɛde ɔmo ma wɔ ɔmo nkurɔfoɔ asɛbi na ɔmo yɛ adwuma wɔ hɔ a bank ni gu nti ɔmo firi hɔ ɛwɔ si ma ɔmo end of service benefit na package na ɔmo kɔ yɛkɔpɔ besia 28 aban sɛ sika 28 billion ana ɔde yɛ sɛ adwuma suo a sɛ ɔde kɔ tete hɔ sika ni mu a ɛyɛ bebree ɛno ka ho na ma Ghana economy no ɛsi ate ɛyɛ saa besia na yɛkɔbɔɔyɛ no ɛde betua saa aka no ɛnna ma nana ado abrɛ so economy no ɛno ka ho na economy no yɛ basa afi sɛ sika no yɛ ni bi eti ɛkɔ agya maa nso na yɛkɔgye bond na yɛde bɛyɛ saa adeɛ no so ate aseɛ na ɔmo yɛ investigation na ado abrɛ so no ɔmo yɛ investigation ɔmo hu sɛ owura yi a nnɛ Mahama baayɛ wayɛ no Bank of Ghana governor no sɛbi bank no egu yɛ no na ɔka so paa na ma banks ne yɛ dɛ egu yɛ ofa ne Unibank ofa ne UT Bank a enti yɛyɛ hwehwɛmu ne yɛde ne kɔ gyina court sɛ yɛbɔ no kɔ adu ɛwɔ deɛ ɔyɛɛyɛ no obiara na ɔde ne kɔ gyina court sɛbi ɔyɛ NDC ni nti a yɛgyina kɔ gyina court esan dwumadi a odi yɛ ma bank no yɛ dɛ egu yɛ katakyi mpatso deɛ meka watema se
mate wase kɔ so
ɛno na ma yɛde ne kɔ gyina court ɔpanyin yɛdi papa yi asɛm yɛyɛ ne nwie adeɛ a mepɛ sɛ mu nyinaa mode hyɛ mo adwene mu ne sɛ banks no ɛhyɛ aseɛ gu from the year 2014 ever 2015 saa abere ne ewura John Mahama na yɛ president ɛna IMF foɔ kan sɛ yɛntu ho anamɔn sɛ yɛntu ho anamɔn a ɛbɛma banks ɛwɔ Ghana ha nyinaa bɛ collapse saa abere no ana yɛwura John Mahama si yɛbɛto aba enti yɛsɛ sɛ ɔyɛ no ɔnyɛ ɔtwe ame ato aba awie yɛto aba na to fie anto ata a sɛbi tumi firi ne nsɛm enti sɛbi na nana ado na aba na sɛbi yɛde di ade a sɛbi wofa ka ana wonya agyapadeɛ nso a wofa enti na kyɛ sɛ ɔbaayɛ no na ɛka ɛwɔ hɔ na ɛsɛ sɛ wɔfa na ɔfa deɛ IMF so aka sɛ ɔnyɛ wɔ banking sector no which is that ɛwɔ sɛ banks no sɛbi yɛ prɛm ɛna broni fɛ clean up no enti na ɛwɔ sɛ wotu ho anamɔ no de clean up na ɔkɔpɛ sika bɛdi yɛ saa nneɛma anya enti wɔyɛ wieɛ no wohu sɛ papa yi a John Mahama time no na ɛyɛ second governor of the Bank of Ghana kyɛ sɛ governor no a ɔwɔ hɔ na bɛdi akyire no papa yi ɔna na ɛyɛ na bɛdi akyire saa papa yi odi ho tintiman enti investigations as state agencies yɛfrɛ no Yuoko ɛne Attorney General's office ɔmo yɛ nyinara na ɔmo sɛ papa yi odi mu tintiman nti saa deɛ a yɛn fa no nko gyina court yɛn mo no kwadu sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ insana hɔ ama nkyirima sɛ ɛbɛyɛ daakye bi obiara nyɛ deɛ esi yɛ no obiara nyɛ bibio atachie papa yi gyina court ɛwɔ yɛdi n'asɛm afɛdeɛ yɛwura John Mahama baeɛ a ɔsi daabi ɔno deɛ case no kwadu na yɛde abɔ papa no withdraw papa no you so one court said you want your bonnet.
That just say withdrawal no any null prosecutor no in Chimuni say your castle will be a withdraw tiawa
withdrawal any null prosecutor no massa no stebi ubuni beka chose with the same effect but withdrawal any there it said your young fashi kra nye
okay
charge bi akra mo woda
okay
null prosecutor any the which in a court ye abo kwadu inti ye chicham inti ufiri oko sort ase she be kai said na woni kwadu say ye dia ball na ugina ho but no withdrawal ne de it said ye won ye boni biada
oh okay
section 59 of the of Act 30 and opinion okay
there's say ya hohoro ho ama ho afi
ya hohoro ho ama ho afi opinion e wum said that
na me busa mawe nsi mame say enkomo no ne emre no nti de aban no aye yi ni anama a onam na attorney general so atu no e won susan so bi ma ye kan say ya tanie ehu asem ana say omo fi say bi a aban no wo no so na ye political prosecution ti no yes and omo fi say omo nkrofo no omo anya boni bi a so omo say bi omo fi say the aban no o to minti no gina sa amra nso de yeye
obani wo share article 1911 of the 1992 constitution the beard why between the natum wo Ghana hasia abra yemfa kwadu a e wo mmerem e de abono ne de kwadu so bowa sebi enya aban ko na e court akobon nkuro sebi wo so kwa ubeyi wo ano it is all called se wonye bone a se obedi bimu ana mebo obedi bim it is any pano so wonye bone a kodo onko di bimu e o de wo si da bi wa withdraw kwadu no o withdraw kwadu no ba bia papa ne sha ye so odi bone no afede wo de na ko ho no wa promote no from first promote from deputy governor afede wa ye o pemu na ankasa na asefem sama ewom kra ne say that position ye de be ma wo no nanka sabi council of state wo na ban no ba kwa akodwene ho say muntumifo be person me ya so masi governor of the Bank of Ghana masa council of state kura so a ye nyam fancy ho na wo de akodan wo mo iti o pepere wo de na kwa akoye den wo bank a sabi ba bia wadi boni a de na akogina court no e ho na wasa de na kwa akogina opani yadika yesa na yamagana for yadika na ni ye so intermediate match me say sa move na aban na ye no se bi entwaye etoso mienu withdrawal of the prosecution withdrawal of the charges no me magirimu ye me say attorney general owes Ghana an explanation eye nkrofo say attorney general will to me so filing no prosecutor and so filing withdrawal or filing or ma explanation Mitutuma enyeye because we share the relevant provisions of the act now. It doesn't say attorney general every withdrawal any council my explanation. And now say was my explanation. Nemum the uhu say is the exercise of discretionary power. Sabi ye ina yesu nim say under article 23 and 296 of the 1992 constitution no. Untumi exercise or discretionary power. It was sabi seni usi peno it was say utmi chire bi ntia o ye biribi it be feel say attorney general na mo awatu in cheye penyi so na mo amatu no eno cheye ye me so pese bi tiga no
me da say bafo nana je bafo ware no mame enko ne ni nkomo emra future life oba pa na wo say me hu ye papa beauty food. Na so ne wo ho asia e fe kra no de Was so mammy the color no ya cast to beautiful than what to be. On the tuntum no, I am so. It's an Boakye fans no watch.
It contributes to the skin.
Yes. Skin maintenance.
And hair and nails.
Hair growth. Say you know woman or collagen.
Collagen no. And obi or missing ra ma maybe ba na mani ajepa na wrinkles won it got to 4. And was it reduces wrinkles in 28 days. Na wrinkle ni na akọ na me so wo dey disaka ho. Ma me na efefefe. Ti aduane we dey remember na touch him man.
Remember no toma one no mu to you.
Remember
no the color there.
So we on person the skin no.
Se o mo ara.
Na yen straight to kwan. Ubeti masrata
ya. Honam de ye mokwa. Ye momokwa wo honam.
Anti we dey ma we dey na efefefe. Obi wa na we dey na ye bete. Udi we ye ma na ye den. Enti say we repair wo car na say we siesie na. Uni pedua no so say o siesie no. Ti beautiful ni obi a mepe bi ni. Obi a mepe bi na bo ankasa. Obi a mepe bi ni. Na asomba kwa na meka eho asempa ne wo hwe atete no me na nanom so omo sori na omo fa bibia na ase bonsua na omo de pan no aka ho no omo bedi ene de wo so obi afa bibia besi wa no pa na ye enuro nko ana onom mo ma yaduane mo munye yaduro esa waduro be ye waduane bise ni padua no yafunu no yaketua bi sei obi simi no maduro ne nsama be 4 anopa nko anwumre so obenom nti eso hu se emwo ni padua no nti obi ani di nti na future life for da bia ye beka aduane papa ho asam kiro bise ni padua ne hia balanced diet se wunya balanced diet a ebe sisi oni padua ne kama
Ntwetwe nkomo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa cho hwan die.
Me pa cho friend me sister
Martha, what's so called future life? E dey na do ko pie ho na wo call so dey na asie.
Na me kɔ adwuma. Me drive a me hwɛ saa saka ne kɔ side me ni so yɛ mbasabasa. Da bia anajo nso me da me na. Ma jo nso saa na se. Me dey na ɛyɛ mi. Me ra hospital ni en check ya. Me sugar enam 22. Sɛ me BP so form no yɛ 22. Esoro no so 122. Esoro no yɛ 222.
Hey.
Yes. Enye papa. You almost omo be wa me say insole o se den na de nsu asimi so. Na so metie som papa. Na mate se omo di nkomofa future life ho. Ene sa sugar na na sefo no. Nti e na mka che doctor na se mesre no me nko ana me nam nti na dawroma. One day omo ma me nko na me kope me honam nipa aba. Na me frɛ driver se mesre no onfa me nko future life e kumase. Kwada so honom. Man go downside ho. Yeah, the boy ma me na ma no hu me no say we are young girl I didn't know what say ya dey say to me house and then my better me ti wa me na kasa kwa na ma sole na ma san akwadwo nso ja okay kan aduane wo far away bo mu de ma me e ba ya kora me kunu be hunu ye no wo se na wo yale wo ko hospital wo se aduane na me se ja ya no mo ba Sompa se de o mo si kan o ma sam no de me en try nhwe ja me sita gu mu me fa we ni mati na me kwa adwuma na me an me koto BP apparatus ne saa de wire nsa no nyina bi ba fie na me de test tinu me hu sa afi ade ni reduce afi na reduce aba beto 8 tat no so da ha no me hwa me tat ne so a me hu say 8 ne da normal because plus 5 minus 5 o wa kana no ma na fi abeto normal me ka me Johnson hwa adane nchene adane ba ko pe na me koto yo no o kire me say me 12 apostles be paper ketu abi ya
yes or no ni Jesus yan for do me
ko ni nyina me di so say de o kan ye enti enu a me ko ho na me say no me de say de me pa bibia bi mo mama duane ni bi na me nkodi me ho aye dia say me ye madwuma me kala nso nyina ye fe me BP na beto normal esoro 120 from 80
wow
we there future life no me ka kire obi a wo ya leo dibi eno a me back to akọ school akọ adaso oduru o se ne mama milo na akọ akoto ama me no jayo na fato future life ho anwa ni bi
what
me se say bi ma no a odi ko school o ko di ne te sesel lack no
no
no na wan se me lo be di no ni no adi e no na aboa no na ye say ono so wa ye free.
Okay. Medasi. Aboa ye da nyame ase e wo ho. Hey.
My me abaka sa akola me bi ni e
You see when you flat tummy. I see her. Olivia to aso.
Yo, eti na me kan se me se me na na mo sorry a omo be fa bonsu a na omo de ye eti no ene de aduro nko ane no aduro no eku ye nipadua no nipadua ni balance diet ye nua ni na balance diet eti so ma me wo pressure ana diabetes am se ye japade e na wakofa bi braso one mo a ofise na yare eku nipa pii abra yakopon free obi a yakopon ye sa na oti o so be boy se me yare na ewu o si didiye aduane na ode kan ho o si didiye so ka say yare am de gu museum for so me fa bi hu so eso ye ankasa no atani ade no fi se ni diye enti wa ankasa hwe waduane die ye se wa hwe waduane die ya wo be yare ewu bra yakopon free o enti obi amra so full alignment ye ho de wo be tutu onuane ankasa so of apostles no se de be ma wanom obu a wonom na se ne hoto no no afra bi sa so obetime agya na untimi nyai life tonic ni biaba se future life for where ntina ma yare nku efi se wa anyare awu obi amra ya so ye one emwa no emema no a obohwe ye no ebe kakra 50 years ko na emema no obi a yemre ni nyina infections
Empare ye wo Yesu di mu.
uba ye be ma oti ano mama emwa ni nyina awu ebe santi ma se o kidneys prostate problem hanko bebe be o prostate but say emwa no koma obesa gland na sha se bie cells ne pe ubo nse na cancer de no wangim eba sa na enioma nko ye kura uba ya so ye enioma ti ahodo de be ma ni na ye green tea ne ahodo nya ba ko pe o efi uti sukosu na ase ye green tea o liver tea ni na ye green tea kidney teas etu o ho a bra na wa ankasa be ye wapom de ho adwuma etu ma yare mfa no mu bra future life for ye ho obi ba ho last week osina de be esua de ana ohuru enti na obi aba am se to bi ma oba osi akora na hunu ade ama sese ekoya na nwa future life sie ni padua no oba ho a enuane na etua no so ho to wa ensa ni bi fi se na yare oku ni papi beautiful din dem so obi a metobi obi a be ma to bi ma oyire so to bi ma wuku
Okay.
you also follow alignment.
That's
the
right.
0246
0246
01
01
another 01
01
50
50
0246
0246
01
01
another 01
01
50
50
back say 0242
0242
87
87
80
80
90
90
0242
0242
87
87
80
80
90 ebi
90
wo boase ebi wo sunwane ebi wo nkran ebi wo mampon konongo yato enuane na pete na so ma da bra so ye hone mo na nchi onuane a odi a ebe bo ne de mo e so full alignment yare bi ha obi abra ho ye be sesa waduane die na mo so obi bia be kama ele yakopon jamu nyina
ele nyame so jaw omo a no no mo na bibia nkoso kama
amen
no okay yeah catch now Sompa TV say ahwefo say wo hwehwe Sompa TV na obobo na enya rescan your decoder na ye fa won koto ba bia wo se wo da no ebia ba bia na wonya Sompa TV no sisi a wonya bomodena na rescan na enya dai emetom emfa emau Sompa TV there e market apa the late Bino wofa Bino wanya mfie de oson baako na krona busia pani opani akwasi kra bo aman afija opani akwasi kra bo aman afija ohine ba du brade otosum yenu bo aman hene ohine ire kuapokua bo aman hima nana ya bo aman beposo ekrona hene nana kwadwa sumin ekrona hene amoakoko ntihine opani kusi ababio nana boatima abroma hima opani kusi ababio kumase nana kwakwado ye CEO me na aba group of companies honorable Kandapa former national security minister honorable Kekere Champion former DC Boaman afija eja Boatin Freeman ewo USA nana Samoa Boakye CEO of Nana Boakye Heba ena nana Siedu Safo Parkside Womo enua ma ne mema Charles Red or USA Obaku Ponsan na Adwo Ampofoa ene ma eye Kinsley Opon Elias Pada ne Abigail Ledusa womo so womo de nyina da eye Wofabino nyame adon amemne da bai bo aman figya no num pepepe ne na tompam yakoya wufu som wo bo aman Baptist asafodum fi no nkronko na abusia tena se fi donko kopem no nsia wo bo aman figya afei kwasi ada no ye na ase asori no nkron wo bo aman figya Baptist abusia sa betena se wo bo aman figya funeral grounds obi omo ye yi na donko ye nkojankoja nti yesremo mo metom ye na ye nkura na chi lawyer Eduji Tamaklo ewa homa no so ma menye na dwenkyere ewo nea ekoso lawyer Eduji good morning
Dunia anopai mechiao echa wechi na
ejiri so ho ye pa
yakopo na dom
yo ye ma otrin kwa ewo MPA yese kohwe eso maye na ukoye hot say wadama
yakopo na dom ya take charge gradually it's just barely a week into the yeah, familiarizing any the people there. But like I always say, said you we the package here na uwa crew for more. When she said you about friend a bit so. But what I say?
Metwase
Sana we are sitting into the answer with humility no. Na what familiarize yourself with and your man.
That's right.
You need the various departmental heads in common so that there will be a very smooth transition.
Okay.
That's what is happening so far.
Fuseni don't go studio. I was say or the FTC ni babesrao. Fuseni don't go say or chia no the FT ni babesrao. So him Fuseni don't go. I was so obaba besrao no the FT beba. Ebse mu bi enu kwa na muti FT na se. Anyway, Eduji yeni nkomo openi bafo lawyer Nana J bafo wu am say we lawyer ni a adano crowd for the first time I hosted you people here. You mudi nkomo kama. I na make no. Now already concern be say government no withdrawal of nipa no ejina court no is a bad precedent because officer esiama crowd the any there niema de so boy de ball no yasa akọ a promote na koye the Bank of Ghana governor it officer even work environment to Bank of Ghana cry enye ebi onso so no a de dwuma de share ne sa when the year na ko gina asem di bia no oponi de oka others e de na obeka wo ho
Minia bafo said in Uncle Wankasa, Mankaya. I wish they may share on one. First of all, what Bafo what does it know? And it's even under their own government. But you tell you, even under their own government, the DPP had recommended to Godfrey Dami to discontinue the trial of Isiama, and Godfrey refused.
Okay.
The memo is there. They shouldn't provoke people. They shouldn't provoke people. Look, Minia, in the past 8 years, look, Nana Dodanko Kutuado and Godfrey Dami simply weaponized prosecution.
No, it's correct.
Against perceived opponents of Akufo-Addo. Look, I will call Nana outside this program and I'll advise him to stay away. Because they are highly explosive. You shouldn't try it. The Director of Public Prosecution and recommending say the prosecution of Dr. Johnson Esiama was unwarranted. No evidence whatsoever against the
So there's a memo to that effect.
But was there?
They said there is a memo to that effect.
There is.
Oh, okay.
They shouldn't try it. They shouldn't. Look, I've said it. Abia nanado edi prosecution aye wo mamu ha no. Se John Mahama so o kaso obeto aso a. Yebesi o Ghana enye. Yebesi o Ghana enye. Please, they shouldn't even provoke us. What is the Bible we are talking about? What is it talking about? Look, Esiama was simply, see, people have gone through hell. They should let bygones be bygones.
Okay.
They should be very careful not to provoke anybody. Look, Minya, make us an intro. The prosecution of Dr. Opuni. I was involved in that criminal defense. It should never happen to any Ghanaian again. Whether NDC or NPP, we should never repeat that again. See, Opuni's house was ransacked. Kenio, in the name of looking for money. So far, when you are people do upon here, we are ransacking the house. With the town.
Ransacking the.
Opuni was arrested.
And no, call Lord come fie.
Please, we are talking about serious matters.
Yeah, but so can say obi sa wa Kufuor aban mu na make say.
Who authorized it? I am talking about Ghana Police Service under the direct instruction of the Attorney General.
Okay.
I'm talking about Yoko under the instruction of the Attorney General. Taking up Opuni from home. That they are taking him to the mother's hometown in Doma.
Hey.
He has to go and sleep at Santabak in Kumasi. All in the name of looking for evidence. They found none. So eventually, do you know what they had to do? Look, Yoko investigated Dr. Opuni to every logical conclusion, no evidence. Osafumafu went to Yoko and took the docket and said he is not satisfied. And now gave the docket to Tiwa Adodankwa to start fresh investigation with the police forensic unit. Look, Masha, people have gone through a lot. The least the likes of Nana Berko Wan can do is to just shut up. Look, for 1 year, Opuni's bank account was frozen by Yoko for 1 year. In fact, I recall, Yakoko, after a year, to have it, the freezing order taken off. Let me tell you something. The Yoko boss then, KK Amwa, I think that's the name, a retired police officer. I ensured the service of the application to set aside the freezing order on Yoko. When the process was set on them, Kenio, they came and said they were not opposed to the application to set aside the freezing order. Now, guess what happened? Immediately, the freezing order was taken off. Immediately, the Jubilee House at the Attorney General, then Gloria Kufu, called KK Amwa to go and repeat the same application. Application they came to court to say they were not opposed. This time, experts. We then applied again to set it aside. They now came and said they were now opposed to the motion to set it aside. Yankasa. Eventually, the High Court Judge, Justice Georgina Dacha, so to err on the side of caution and then decided to reinstate the freezing order. Guess what happened? We went to the Supreme Court with an application to Rara to quash her orders. That day, my Lord Justice Boakye and Co were the panel. They asked the lawyer for Yoko, Mrs. Boakye. They asked her, Madam, after 1 year, you are frozen somebody's bank account. Do you know how he's feeding? Do you know how he's teaching? So the judges asked her, Madam, you are a public servant. Tomorrow, if a similar thing happens to you, how would you feel in open court? She couldn't utter a word. That is what Akufo-Addo did with political power. And that's why I'm saying what.
Okay.
No, I'm coming.
Edu Jimison, the Yano Akachi Kakra Mami, why?
Mate, you make any name and say, I'm not here call court. I just before me beside Yoko lawyer and say, 1 year, what freezy opening the account? It is only day. Once you opening receiving 23,000 cities. TNU, 23,000 from CNU. And your dollars, so CD. It's what's freezing the account, Nina. Now, 23,000 I won't want a man. Freeze only that transaction, why the entire account for 1 year and plus. Supreme Court judge will be some local lawyer. So, mommy, who knew? I think she's now a judge or so, a second court judge or so. Who knew what you not send money here investigation will be given. Here, can't see a free account for 1 year. What can we say? Obey a day. In fact, that day the Supreme Court said, "Someone financial my Yoko and turning itself into an octopus, spreading its tentacles everywhere." Do you know what people have gone through for the past 8 years? Look, in the opening trial, do you know the strange thing that happened? Do you know the strange thing that happened?
It's you.
I'll tell you something. See our High Court judges for Ghana. A lot of High Court judges. Meanwhile, the then Attorney General, Mami Flora Kufu, who knew the of a Court of Appeal judge, special warrant to come and sit on the police case. So that didn't mean that the existing High Court judges, and so, did special warrant, let the man judge no. Can you imagine something? While the judge was conducting a police case, Nanado decided to promote him to the Supreme Court. Look, guess what? When my Lord Justice Onyenuga was doing this matter, Nanado promoted him to the Supreme Court. In the course of the trial, prosecution expert the investigator, police officer. Investigator not by led by Senior Samuel Kudo. We introduced some pieces of evidence, documentary, but you're telling you, documentary evidence through the prosecution witness and a investigator. My Lord Justice Onyenuga Bisa, the prosecutor, Attorney General, the referee on the back court. See, this is the document the defense is seeking to tender through your witness. Do you have any objection to this document being exhibited? Wouldn't be okay. Almost said no objection. And then my Lord said, the prosecution having indicated that they are not opposed to the tendering in this document. But telling you,
Nietzsche.
the tendering in of this document, I would admit it and match it as exhibit so and so. 14 pieces of documents. Prosecution, my lord, we have no objection. And the documents were all tendered. Now guess what? Those pieces of evidence were so exculpatory. Completely. Now guess what happened? On the basis of this, after prosecution cash on my view, the submission of no case. Now you know what they did? In the bizarre. And look, I always say, now he's on retirement. I don't know how he feels now. What judge in open court, what can you say? Prosecution, what record you? My lord, we have no objection. While recording our admitted document. Now guess what? Judge control me on the submission of no case. Guess what he said? Or say, now, even though prosecution hasn't raised any objection, to his mind, documents they offend the hearsay rule. And so he is expanding it from the record. Clearly.
No, the artisan ran ashim.
The documents offend the hearsay rule. Section 6 of the Evidence Act. Or see, the question of admissibility or otherwise is determined at the time the evidence is offered. Section 6. Is that the kind of prosecution? That's why I say that we should continue. Please, he shouldn't do this to himself.
Okay, lawyer.
Look, I want to read something to you. For the first time, this is a Supreme Court judge giving additional warrant to sit at the giving additional responsibility to sit at the High Court. Immediately he gave that bizarre ruling, mischievous ruling. We went to the Supreme Court. Guess what the Supreme Court said? I will send the judgment of the Supreme Court. No, the Supreme Court the police 5 sat on the social application involving the decision and the Okuni matter. By a 3-2 majority. Hello?
Kaduji, miwa.
Can you hear me?
I'm a chon kapa kasa.
By a 3-2 majority, Omanhene colleague, Justice Amadou Tanko, Agnes Koji, Justice Foreman, I can say, he has demonstrated competence against me.
Hello. Hello. Oh, okay. Edigi, Mr. Yanteninka. I think point is well made. Doctor, now bomb to say. Edigi Tamaklo na any to change komono na o church near mem say my ba phone ko hokra na near ma
or astute lawyer.
Aban no de aban da dan de enkrofo afam no omuni munti na bia omukikasa. Adopa ye hwehene.
Mam da so emphasize na matwedi ampo na dem fanchia. Am obi a wo hwa na so otu Sompa. Last week na let's say nka ebebie phone.
That's right.
Time no e dey a.
Say ye betima bie. Na enkomodie no bone tofa. PK Mbrama pick your calls na my quickly.
For more than a month now, discussing
be activated lines on the freeway. Oba ma menopause. Ene niema edi adanse e ha.
Na me can say bi wono ma na ya de na adwe no say menopause na ahase. Enti ye bon to fa say me can say oba onyin sen ye. Na oba onya ontwa bra. Oba o ma kwala no fo. Ha sa ma no de bo sum so na so wa mu wa hu nsabu a na nya say menopause asem bia ya re bi edi achi. Eno a obi di ne baba so na me ka say enemre sakwala wo
nhedunum
na so
no mu ni sa
ma hu hia ma me bi ne baba 17 years ono so onya starting menstruation na onim ma me no nom dry what the born by for plan but ono ongo pane na on share pane but what to ko yin bi a defia wonom akran so mu bi like
ma me so o ma akwara no bi no de abo
onim so akwara no bi
o ma me no ma no so anom
akwara so so asenu me no over 10 years
nti
okola de hono ma de we say na de pa o otibe me sa agwenu no okọ okota free oba ti ma so oto duro na o say e ma no omo no free han na ba enu time wo so do na asa wo so bi ana akwara bi na bi akwara ni ma we na no ma 17 years.
That's one nom 7 years.
Yes. And up to 17 years no onya nsabu ni bi da. And a distorted
the hormones.
Ama sa akwara no say e bi ai sa abrofo bam. The man hormonal replacement therapy pa anya sa awo ho be de nyama no. And the kwara be on one can't tell mama so. But the test who say no hormones no is to the macra.
And I will start to say we interview.
Mama pie na me ni komo. And what kind of so one day one more drobi na mama drobi na wono. Mama ni bi sa na o say one wonom for plan dro na ampa. Sa dro no. One no dro na.
One mama family plan is 7 years.
Akara wo da we for plan.
Okay, mama bia homa ntum. Ya menopause symptoms. The niema bi ni age a we fi say wadu ene ya bia homa na tum. All issues are a man not to number is 0551 931 931. Mr. Mo number now a good time with Amy. Why am a man crop for frame when you free so answer? Now for studio line on to you quickly. 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. If you are a Bema, we just start to show symptoms be over fee say Abia. Hello, good morning. Oh, the line are dropping. It's all fra. Better one kawaha. Why? Na ya de woko 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Ebia wo ho. Wo nampa. Hello, good morning.
Nana.
Good morning.
Nana.
Nana no ye hwan ya?
So ohene bia na.
Ya semoni. Ana me no boss ni bia. Give us a call na yentie won so o asem bi busa doctor. Number no is 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Wachere emfie a wo so oba wuduru na obu nsa obu on ma emfie no enu isu na ne bra na twa. Obu also a buninsa akodu pempenso e wo se bianka niema bi dead so emasa frɛ enkoma ayedie no all this while doc so kasa call ne ba ne
na ma bi so no ma abre na a wo ye sa enu no nse o kwa kire ha wa so no ma do no e bia Monday no we Tuesday no we mo free ha bra na be shi ase no ono a asesa no
yes ono no a alta eye de ope
and I said, because my time no so was one of my on and to one casano and I cross it.
Hello. Oh, nowadays, Dr. Kasa.
To one casa, And you see, my cousin Sandro, a year within some hours. Most of the time, 72 hours, 3 days.
Yeah, I'm sure say we be
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mommy, me ain't you no pay.
Okay.
Yeah, you.
Me pa say one ha.
We say symptom.
Because I didn't know. I'm on for bomb mommy by you because of Sanima with you.
So we are symptom.
I don't know.
Only pardon afro. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Me pa cho when ye.
Anka ban pa so e fe me fi am ka so fi tofu.
Yo, if you have aha.
Because I say we get doctor say.
Aha.
Ma wo be 7 months. Me ne to me mai. Ai, dia mami stress se be ma na ma ho. Da na ta ta jini. And before me bring me bar so me ma dan ko cha tewa na so na. Ya ma me jini.
7 months ni won't me. Hello.
I saw mine.
Also 7 months ni won't me ko.
Baby.
Hey. Na ro be ma no wai.
If I talk about baby kaka.
Aha. Now we dey come ko we dey aso akwa pragu. Doc. Oh, say 7 months ni.
Na me can say or breastfeed ya omuninsa. But we can say that time now so no ovulate or tukusia.
Auntie say omuninsa no. Onye careful.
Yes.
Bema no na bema so wako baby kakara oba dia.
No do shame dia ni.
I told you be shiwa. The doctor how to bomb no pay.
Odi agro yin say no.
Ewa sisi ya.
Or tukusia but body na say absorb kusia. Asa blood be amba out. And the moment the first say onhu blood doesn't mean say there's no ovulation. That's I say. E koso sa. But man be one ma or man no for
omunisa.
But so what about community or first time I wear no. It is son and saboniba.
Okay.
So what
second time it is saying.
Third time it is saying.
So it could be a pattern.
Okay. So for that normal when there no problem. But first month it be a bear 40 days and a buy. Second one will be a sa. Not tell me when you bear 1 year and Maya to one mountain. But one way when you know also we breastfeed after 2 years no. That's the last idea no. Oh, I have it me Hello.
Hello, Uncle man, good morning.
Morning, no.
Pastor, now what to say?
Yamina Dromo swear.
Me a domestic no yeta.
My ain't you.
Me pastor, na me say doctor say. Emesis ne nya emaye. Edro ha ebenyana.
Emaye no chiremu ye eba bosome ema anase ubu nsa eba be 2 days na twa. De hia.
I me be inside be 2 days, 3 days na twa.
What did you say?
Oh, 28.
Hey, Debbie. 28 there. Doc. No, sir, no, you're not there.
And I also not America. We about the Musa time come free, but so much no emba. 2 months no ma, 3 months no ma.
Eminoriano.
No be abana so. Factors are emma and so one is na doso. Wa ma ne unyi emma omotimi wo like young girls be 10 example ma. Emu be 9. Enu ma dro bomb ban say yin say ma.
It's a hormonal imbalance.
I have common.
All right. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, my dear. Pacho, my inti no pay. Hello. Oh, okay. And a line in why? Don't casa.
I have very common. A man be not distorted hormones.
That's all person Jinema to on room.
Yes.
Okay, young Shaway. Hello, good morning.
Yes. Uncle man.
Yes, my.
Pastor, my father today. Pastor, the doctor came there and from my first born, me won 40 days to prepare a message to buy.
Unya 40 days.
40 days to prepare a message to buy. Second one, when you a first born in your 15 years, I'm gonna be wounded. Wounded, you know, more than 1 year, and then my. That day, by Beman do one, I'm telling you.
What's Beman do one of you?
And let me sign me, I'm a
I don't know where who's thrown now.
It's
not where who's thrown no.
It's na me sure no.
Obana ahwe odi wo mu anu anu.
Me my answer to me am to ko to ndo
Ai. Ose kusia no body no absorb it. Enti de all can pepe you are an epitome of what he's talking about. Etu de be ma no ba. Enya hwe ni yire no ba o de manisha condom nya sa odi wo mu abanyi nsen. Hey, uja fususu akoshe ma cha sa nso de. Ane 1 week ni nyina esusi. Keje ti abeti obedi.
Moment a okasa na ase ya no otukosia no. So it that time no science a uhu during ovulation time uhu ye no. Sa uhu sa.
Look, you for back on count. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Pacho me and you.
Both morning.
Morning.
Pacho, somebody have my experience on there. I want to say, now, why a family planning? 3 to 4 months. The next is a May. A back to a very idea.
Pacho, Paniano that's so. And I said, oh, 3 months.
Why don't you 3 months? Why 3 years?
I'm Paniano said, oh.
I need to have them.
And there's some mentions name Macra.
But to say, I was trying to now say that
Macra.
3 days. Instead of say, but a man.
Okay. Marty. Look, you are going to Panian no so there.
So one of my one of the stopping a hormones no. Somebody could be able to Ninsaba. Until Sana and a bear. Sir, a man you want my ya. Look one of my females wouldn't be 2 times. So we want my baby, but if you are also back for 7 days, I bet 1 day now a jai. One format,
sir, distorting hormone,
until a byproduct of use and our own person, and this idea. I can't be. But they don't make say or more. Yes, I'm going to be almost who shall we see no more than
okay.
Was in preparing hormones no dear. So you didn't want to
no one, yes, so family planning, but
we are quite uncovered most of our 1 on 1 until I did be about son Sabuna, Umun say ye and Sabuni may ye, what tea and Sanimano.
Hello, good morning. Pacho Windy. Yo, my aunt you. Bayo Tobo na Okasano. Hello, Tobo. Yi Kasano Bako Yantikra. Also Wi-Fi day. Hello. Wife who sat in an Tiania. Tidabia only who sat in one now or complete. No, they say bonny trim. And you say on the day, hey, I said, now one of casual said it here. Yes, Medofo. Yamia Dubo, eti, who Saniwa, Nauti. Mebacho, eti wuni no start se mo da, eya onti pay no. Never who Saniwa. Who Saniwa na utini jaupa. Hey, Mebacho, eno de anodin. Eno de anodin. Na bema inso I said there be a man who Sani no there so ukuno. Bedofo doctor number we are friend why? But this is not normal. Obia wo ni hu Sani no skills awo ye. Ene o be ukuna na oben o yira na hu on paso. Ebi mu o stars o mu ye. Na we ni de you fancy and idea time no aso
something serious.
Because I see the training side do jano.
It could be say until ebe constructing my blood and oxygen crime could be
and continue. Not stroke.
And we get rougher. But me anya stroke this year. And you know, on 2 and amount them. na yem amara no bi emano na ehwe brain no so all the times okay na say ntina ade emoja bra dwe no ne nyam da ho okay dia so nya sa wan hwe a e fa no sa wo ndे no ho ba sa wo so wade pe no obewie na afi wasense da ho na stroke no ntina pai ama emoja ni bra between
ti krache ya osuso bo homodi no
so ne adwuma no
ada bia no yire dama ni hu san de ane osuso wo ye killer ejua kitwa o doctor fa o numbers ni tu jana ye hwe bia
ai na nya amara ni ma ebe hu ade crop pot na
ma na am so pen my program
na mo ho do na de tu ase kuma sia no ye wa twemo de timai father so hwima so ofo ase kwado so no ma na obaso for la cash na bi o tap how baby and was tan was in fi onum cash na bi won my back twemo de timai number 0277
0277
00
00
1234 0277
0277
00
1234
and 0241
0241
36
73
49
0241
36
73 49 Arahu Sharifi Yankupon Yarasov Dr. Bedawasi Honorable Fuseni Donko, good morning. Now I'm to say Lawyer George Upon, morning.
Good morning, Mama.
Now I'm Poma.
I don't know.
Okay, you know bad yes. You didn't come Parliament. Akoye ye. And they minority so among penny. Speaker Mrebian where money to me so to me a suspended will be. Even say speaker so say privileges committee my Yente obey me to an among suspended woman. Now a committee has been set up at Echna. Omo trans yahwe omunsemu. Ebimufi say they put the cat before the horse. And unto the nyadia ombe plenty ene omo catch omo members omonko. NDC for also say they should try. The marshal will arrest them. Omonko Parliament. Oh, okay. Because they've not been suspended. Speaker some no kind null and void ab initio ultra virus. And me terms are babrita. And you know, omunyina kasa wo ho. De otoso bienu. I hope some rebel na nkawe. Withdrawals of prosecution. Many lawyer Digital graduate nkomo many na lawyer na NJ Bafo atwe nkomo. Fuzeni. Parliament. Yes, some person mu bully wo mom so mom pe.
Why ma menchia ohefo. Unim seja. Miura ofra me there just say me jai de me bia na meba. Ti ma menchia Sompa.
Abacho yeah maintain appointment no.
O say the best is always safe for the last.
Okay. I make it think me say mo am so Fuzeni there me say mo. Special duties. Oye na Asante Radio oye ni enti e obi o hanma mo man appointment e timi call the chain. Ti anu so munya na yensu nyina ye nko hobi. It's important and crucial.
I think say Mama Chairman George so. 2 weeks in opposition to say. As a preoccupy China when him nothing.
But you know way. What was our question over him anyway?
I said you're not here now.
I just said maybe I know see now you see I said
the best person.
But John my dear. As a number of just a higher majority. David George tried to be and now by
oh,
I think I have to make it official. Henceforth, here is majority. Here's minority. The minority follow back. We sit in here. Head of Mametra. I got in growth for there. Usudiano.
Almost almost to Makuya's now bomb.
Usago. And I shall MP or say majority. My Kwame and Koshu was said on the microphone. So and the MP for the year no. I shall MP. So Casa on the Michael. Or say majority. Allow us to beat them. And I go PA.
I think, sir, and this 9th Parliament, some of us expected some of these things because unse and tokafuno wana atoni akeka. You realize because of the numbers akudi minority for no say, one can easily say if they are not careful, they can become insignificant. What you say? Ombe here NDC mobru who are now say akomapa and a bemo my relevant because independent nipa for ni nyina kwaka NDC ho. So now the NDC group has a 2/3 majority,
even more 188.
What you say? It is NDC ka say ye bibia kra na they don't need the minority. Enti na obehwa afanyuma kan ye say ye de ye work it out. We will stand there and enforce our will because enka almost sorry free committee na se koya. The NDC group alone forms a quorum and committee me atoa your friend is saying vetting also. That is why they decided to disrupt it because omo koya omo absence no will not be felt. Ultimately, so the only option is say instead of some over sorry appear just to register your protestation, no, this time around disrupt the whole thing. Into a parliament crano, what they do is to stand up, disrupt the your friend is saying the proceedings. Otherwise, ubia cry ni ho unless the NDC doesn't have the numbers. But NDC to me mashale even half of your numbers now. Yenkwa nipa NDC kakra to me for mukurum and my parliamentary business koso.
Okay.
Yeah, be passes serious bill crana to test or why NDC nkwa betimi aye. But then therein lies the danger. Because this time around Pananka minority no komu here obi ti say osechi mensa bonsu. Not to denigrate Afenyu markings or anything.
Why do you think Omuhianos? Yeah.
Because maybe a minority na could do say no.
They need cool heads.
Seriously, because one, Osha in this year, we strategically chose Ayariga. We could have chose Dafia Mekwa to be the leader.
You could have chosen
NS Nogbe. We could have chose anybody like that. But okay, yeah, strategically, NDC decided to go for Ayariga. Because you who say with Afenyo no uko fa obi ti say Dafia Mekwa, by all means there will be conflict. And Afenyo so aye na adwen say masa ye number na ekura ye no ya anye dede ya nkeka ye ho a masa ombe reduce ye to observers. Nti ya e just say ye be ye bia nipa beti ye nka bia just ye enye sa ye ti parliament ho a ye be ya adamu sa. So for me I think that is what is happening. But then strategically no so no Afenyo is overdoing things in a way. Because yes, vetting committee, mostly opposition for no, and I said minority no tries to hold appointees accountable to some of the political statements and then also pin them down to accountability. It's in Yamani Biohoa, you can during the campaign in front of vetting committee, no honey dear, Uchantra court bebem. You bet me charge you for perjury if I'm correct. What you say? Inti honey yen chantro. Inti no kwa kasa yedi kama o ye de ben. Kan tamo se o swear no. Then two. A hon so no asem bia obeka bia no. Ebetimi a expose wa ban. Because a hon de wanya kan tam ne de uni hu kwan se obeka so a political statement inti u ka fa ho adi. So the opposition tries to hold you one accountable to Niamani Biamoka during the campaign. Try to also punch holes into some of Niamani B. Into who are pointing so why careful they can use the vetting to indict your own government.
Okay.
Into most of the appointees also go there become defensive. Because one, as some now can who nimna ko ye mistake ko ye to say there a meme donk of Hussein in Namenya. By the time you finish, no indict your president. Into Nipa na Oban also so one why assume defensive posture dada. and any panel on also a question also assume offensive. But then me feel say omu yemane bro so. Maybe dear minority can decide say ombeye rowdy. You are allowed say to stamp your feet. You are allowed to hit even the tables. What I say?
But to destroy.
But to pull, push, pull, destroy there. No. They went overboard. The honor there. They could have been there. Yes, you be the day I'm mounting to us. It's allowed. The worst the chairman could do was to call the marshal to withdraw them if they become unnecessarily rowdy. And now say sorry ako. I withdraw.
They are complaining about the posturing of the clerk. So he's becoming too partisan.
I think sir, Afenyo was overly offensive on the clerk. As I also taking him too personal. There are processes to deal with the clerk. Mufo say oye biasa. There are processes to deal with it easily. But that's open. Say Afenyo Mackenzie a do baby or personalizing him. Sam George, he personalized issues. Okuje to say ekoya to the extent say afena ekoye oni nintemasem. Yes, me krama hu asasi a wonso atoni say.
I said that one it's come out say Joy FM did a facts finding a check up. We say any government land na auto free opiho. Afenyo market there no.
And it shouldn't have come up there.
Yes. And Okuje Tosu issue.
Maybe for say the speaker cry here, you know. Speaker tried to remedy the image of their course who are the vetting because Omanhene it was a very big disgrace. MPs will be carrying chairs, putting it on tables, holding each other, pushing each other. On say, why you be in the 8th Parliament? Abu boss throwing in arm, ubi anwa hono, ubi anwa pie. Nini na echi. To the extent say it me could pia speaker konya kore free ho. Mosi mo pa cha yam fan chemo ye dey achemo in the 8th Parliament. 8th Parliament na wu. 9 Parliament by ya fe cry the most certain tentam tables, tables, pija nkonya, ebubu microphones. Service say no Ghana for na ebetua na say more MPs ni yen say charge mo. Yes, you could say procedurally Bagbin and follow processes. But ye cry ya atena say Parliament is the master of its own rules. And I'm a boy. And he said, Bibia ba. That's a Bagbin who said there be backlash na air bano. And no thing. Maminya be quickly to assuage the sentiments of Ghanaians. That's what said, Sani pan na mu ba ya Ghana fu nyina hu se sebi mu misconduct me hu no. Medical suspend them. At least eno kra ba ye no e ma sebi Ghana fu akoma ba form kakra. Say action has been taken. And yet the normal thing now because yes, I refer to but this one action was taken. At least Anya is served as a deterrent. Until the next day, instead of getting rowdy again, they withdrew quietly.
Yeah, everybody was quiet.
What I say, they withdrew quietly. And yes, they may have issues with the processes, but maybe first say their Bagbin here, he tried to even save their image.
By suspending them?
Yes.
And there they go like by law and by standing orders, you don't have that authority.
Nameka say, whether he has the authority or not, and your man say Parliament is a master of his own rules. And so I say, the my contempt of Parliament, Mogu Parliament enumasi, Mogu Parliament hufi immediately privileges committee ni hokrana, ma suspend you. There's a committee, mukonko fesi. Fine, let's deal with the procedures. At the Parliament, the intimate passing law, Momunko rectify. So they should also go and rectify the suspension.
All right.
Munko rectify.
What about the issues of withdrawals?
Withdrawals, meaning before God and man, young canokre. Opuni, say do agongo. I saw it as a persecution instead of prosecution. Jakbane at 14, it was let's teach them a lesson. It was a bad case. Opuni say a good case, like Opuni them da. And he said Attorney General for Abano Bun's idea, it was a waste of time. 7 year higher hookwa. No, Casa Massa. Trasona media, yanko yard, Papani and Sivu, or Maniska, Bonnie Benway. People have issues with Johnson and Siama. Johnson and Siama Crano, even like I'm saying, the friend is saying, Eduji said the director of prosecution wrote yes. A memo said there were no evidence in and so Attorney General who said, and say it drew baby no Godfred Dami weaponized the Attorney General's department. It be honest, I told the says Ato was over unnecessarily frustrating the 11. Let's teach him a lesson. Yen shutting up. Yen force one yen fanu ko tumi yen ko by election. So it wasn't about the law. It wasn't about the state. To the extent say nipa na omukwa crambulance ne kra by say okay, masa pamro twa no munyim sika. O si sika ni nie kra na sika na me kwaji onipa no mempe. Fa kona me fanu. Come on, who does that? So for you, you think the Attorney General has done the right thing? Seriously? By even not going ahead to put innocent souls. Na say e kona botia o man, do you know there will be charges against us? Ye ni opuni koya na opuni kodi ibema nke ebe bua o man ne ka. 8 years na ye wasting the time nyina no ye ka se ye charge ya. Ye be sa ba o man ne ka. Japa ono won fa asem nchei. Nka ye kona ye kotoa so na japa kodi bem se king. Unim the charges e be sa beto ye so. Okay. So it's a way of saving the country money. And they're not unnecessarily wasting everybody's time. All right, maybe on change. Your birthdays no quickly. Tony Sack Electronics, so your name here, the Bremo. Edora, J. Boatye, CEO of Glam Skin. Edora, J. Boatye. Akosia someone ni ma odom beba. Akosia someone ne de baye. Oso ma tin kon Edora. Prince Bell Asari of Boakye, way every Patrick Kodiaho. Beautiful wife, Josephine Balfour Atiahine. From your husband, Kojo Balfour Atiahine. Kwabena Champon of Naji Angels Education Complex. From Chairman Kufia Champon, Mansur Dubia MPP Constituency Chairman. Reverend Martin Amuzu, District Pastor of Pentecostal Believers Church, from your wife, Mrs. Ellen Amuzu. All right. George. Akwaba. Call to Diana. Ubenya 7 now call to Napon. Now, also your lawyer. Just say the Sashorara and the Kuyu. Say Mandem Mususwa. Mami lawyer.
Edibi ho ade adwuma bi enko.
Ya, that's a big cry. Auka Amuzu.
Me matese na say ye kan Amuzu bi test bi. O kan Amuzu na me say bi test asem na wet. And I say we reverend. I'm so okay, we different.
Hey, George, hey. Mami Chiano, George.
Omanhene me das, mami Chia tie for na me Chia. Na minua enzo so awa ba ben mu a and then the corner home. Empire, Melbama, and say, GM and Vanilla baby, now. Is the MC in the Wabroso? On Pebble, Papa, say, me criminal short to fool, I meet me a foul. Now, Parliament, you see, Macan Pempi is a Parliament. Yeah, I want to. Any munyam, any emudia, yedema woman. A room will be an hour more out of Tonasi. Or more so by their deeds and all that. The Asian signing actions, Emma almost said you revere or more Montano. Not a fee essay, said ye and Tessa. Now, Oshemwa from 8th Parliament, we won our Conoda. The Ghana Parliament from 8th Parliament to this time. And said, Anye, a coroner fete said, ye parliaments be a bel tremor. Ye who judgments and ye who do a jaho no money a day. What in China now condo say, you want to belong to that intellectual group. But a name was a yama political partisan persuasions ya ama wɔn nneɛma bi atɔ kyɛm kakra ti sɛ bɛyɛ na wɔn abɛsesa wɔn ho na wɔn ayɛ nea ehia ne deɛ fata ɛbɛboa because na mi nua ka sɛ wɔn no dɔɔso nti sɛ minority na ahwɛ yi they will be observers. It can never be the case since the inception of the 9th Parliament. Since when NNDC by themselves form to do business in Parliament? Go and check the records. It has never happened. It is always by the addition of the minority in the form to do government business. So it can never be the case that they can be irrelevant or whatsoever. Say by numbers, numbers in yes, you can do that. But how would you be able to do that in the face of the chunk of the people, or a board member, or a minister, or a minister, or one way or the other? In doing government business and still participating in parliamentary business, it would be utterly impossible. At times, you may even travel for government business.
Yeah.
So your numbers now, what they show, so I 138, it will get to a point 100 won't be much. And that is what is going on. And then, since our 9th Parliamentary by it is upon the inclusion of the minority and a more form coro. They can never be relevant. And you see, no matter how many numbers are majority in the war, the minority will always be heard. No matter what. You can be 260 and they can be 15. But once they are termed minority, they must be heard. And only what they are doing now after your market, because the rules of engagement in Parliament, in national questions, under a appointment committee, and so if we will be our own limited time to ask.
And open careful complaint. He said, "I'm marking to me 3 hours. No obusa, obi personal life near the
personal life officer." I mean, these are some of the hypocritical things that we do in this country. So me say me na Bible can say so obi you work for adwuma. Onye nipa enya no ho asem nka. Ne ho asem nye personal issue. It is obi bad the man nyina portfolio be hye ne nsa na okotena ho a. If you have personal issues, personal life, ma office na okotena na incompatible, yeni ho kwan se ebusa wa na ye ka ho asem. Na Ghana fo ohun. Said yet.
And no atapoku twa emergency bibi so. Aba Benkumbo ne Richard Anane.
Yes.
Busa no say wafa o yirechi da. Na
yes.
O ba wo yirechi. Ena Anane. Ne yireti na chi o.
Yes. Out of where you have a child out.
Eno say ane. Eno say ebrebe ne siye. Obi na Benkumbo ka say. Anyone want say we a health minister. Na oko amanone ako AIDS conference. Na HIV conference no na wokohia oba ne kotwe prama na nyinsan. Enti no sa na si ya na. Ena na ne say yes. Sa sama wo ka no me yire kra wo ya we. Onim bibia anti no enye problem. Kumbo went further to say Anane has shown and proven say he's honest.
And that is
in the full glare of the public, TV and radio. So sometimes I am a bit unsaid. The Gen Z generation doesn't know these things. And in a year, say, now me might be personal life there. You see, when you come to the public space, you don't have a personal life.
You don't have it. How can you have personal life while you?
And maybe if you say, I found your marking and you say, Sam George, now or per se. Or put Sam George to proof of arrogance or otherwise.
Yeah. Oh, and he did it.
But Sam George didn't catch it. He thought he was also going to show Afenyo say me wo.
Yes.
And they who know Bia did Korobusa and Sam George. Young boys generation so the guy is too arrogant. That's the way they put across. And it didn't help.
And you see, and these are all the strategies.
Okuja tore up on everything. People say he was on top of his game.
You see,
he did so well.
Okuja will answer you, will evade what he has to evade, and he will hide what
he has to hide.
And
that is maturity.
That is the point. What I have to evade, I will evade.
He will go about it, grammar.
You think you can be saucy, you can be,
cheeky and
all that. But you see, once you do that, it is not to the person who is
asking you.
It is to the public. And the public. And the image you count for yourself at that point. Go be a help. And media, the course or vetting committee, the
attitude of the members of parliament, do you condemn?
No, it should be condemned roundly without any equivocation. You see, it starts from somewhere.
So then, do you agree with Babin? Say
no. Yeah. And a ruling Ghana. Can I come shower? I just say, don't go see the shower. Tiantiansi nati tundra mufasa for an because I'm because I'm
majority tundra by.
Eh, see, I see how kakraka.
You that day.
3 years new.
And what you the car? All my power no to tundra.
In class about power no. Make sure say and can you say switch
da be na who can tundra was.
Say switch em.
Once you are there who can tundra was. And no go into
once a mama. You see, we are not living in the jungle.
Okay.
And a parliament, the speaker Babin speaker, and they say Emrana establishes say there shall be a parliament and there shall be a speaker.
That's right.
In the Mrana, until the Uye Biano, I saw them run. Now, even on the back of that, Constitution now 1982, Ghana, Yadiama Hono. Article 296 no was it say obi a amount to me out me ye esi agina ya agina or power so which is discretion. Next wo exercise to me now. It should not be capricious. It should not be something out of your own emotions and all that. Enti who say BBSC BBNS, how do you correct that? Now in their parliamentary practice or no what the Babin a minority speaker, whatever member BBI has it occurred to him in one day say it may suspend a member of parliament for 2 weeks at a time. 2 weeks, the person is first offender, not to talk about maybe he has continuously or be belligerent in what he is doing. The law requires that you refer them in the spirit of rule of natural justice. At the privileges committee. And you see, you wouldn't say crime so has no statute of limitation.
Yeah.
And the vetting privileges committee. Does it mean that by the time we vet a privileges committee, if it is something that contemns parliament, and contempt is quasi criminal, so it can never die off. And the said the TBR, no more TV, I refer to that. The punishment and the recommendation that will be recommended to you, then you apply say, who only member of parliament, you are only an empire of the parliament, and the committee of parliament is not committee of the speaker, it's the committee of parliament. It is a momentarily a buffo mukra no nanka a here for a mumka asam say he was taken overwhelmed by the events. But what to baby in your sober reflection, you make this ruling without recourse to any standing order. And
they are MPP might take his stance from a national executive say Omunko Parliament no speaker asem no kind no Marshal no bet me the Jumana.
Marshal they take instructions from the speaker. It
doesn't
matter say there's court na court judgment. No matter how farcical the judgment is, until you take steps to set aside that judgment or appeal it. Yeah. It is.
I don't know premo mukwa oma fomra.
You see, emrebi wohoana. No, that's the question. Because there are so many school of thoughts. The emrebi wohosa.
Say was so speaker to be suspended.
It was sheer brutum for me. It was an order with You see,
and some how me who say no.
Come
and I know come back home. And then so share buntum for me.
Making order in vain. That is in Latin.
No, but once he's on the chair and he makes an order,
you see,
another order has to come from him from the chair.
And the Supreme Court have held that you are entitled to follow a rightful orders.
No, but
not order which is
no. Any order no any right na any man in brutal from you. Say if it has no effect.
Yes, the order has no effect because there is no law to that effect. It's a brutum fuming.
It won't say me ban catch us papa you to eboni too. How would you do it? It's not a lawful order.
Yes.
You won't do it.
Order, yes. But me the say, the me person me tia say, speaker na atena dwam. Akase ma suspend assume
does he have that right?
Me ba. Ebia oni right no. But he has made the pronouncement.
But
if the people also say waka kra ye ntie ya ba, next speaker akase master walk them out. Can this
may say marshals they take instructions from the
is
speaker.
it?
And when he orders, the marshal will comply.
That is the point.
But the point I'm making is that speaker, in the first place, assembly okay, assembly akure because yentimi nka say metewa na me de madwen aka bibi.
Enti say emra Saudi na waka no eye adwuma na say ekosete bad precedent of law.
It goes beyond even bad precedent because now no.
I know
because the next issue be an speaker which man can say okra no you the one man.
Why not? Now say now
let's not spoil.
But also so to bring sanity no and maybe I will take it so probably on moral grounds.
There are other things he could have done to bring sanity.
Like
no,
what?
The privileges committee is not there.
You see, but you can be formed.
No, it wasn't formed as then.
Now it wasn't formed.
Yes.
But as some
into a refer to a committee.
You see, that is even the worst of it.
Now then I want to refer to that committee. And some are suspended.
Tension, babe.
No,
who determines the tension?
No,
it's not about that. It's about every strategy you use at every point in time. You see, say me a minority now I have to be heard. That's my right. So I won't sit down for you to violate my right before I seek remedy.
No, you don't destroy to enforce your
in the
rights.
Process, it can go overboard. In the process of enforcing my right to be heard, there can be excesses, which we can talk about that later. It's a subject on this one.
Now we know there.
But send me minority. I watched the video.
Now to see ano, also suspended or sanity prevailed.
Yes.
It was
because
meeting
at the second day they had all agreed on the number of persons who will be vetted.
And
yes, and the first day now.
Okay,
but you don't ambush me
now. Speaker say was suspended on 2 weeks. Extra committee omunko MPP fee say. So omo peneso ema omo nkrofo tenafia na speaker kra niema all can aye adwuma omo call so the speaker can also order them to be removed.
Me mekwama speaker mama shas ayimapi. Then I know I've violated that orders because I am entitled to obey a lawful orders.
Okay.
And the speaker ade a mempese besie ene say we go beyond pinching no.
Okay.
Na enkabeya there should be some meeting with both ends.
And here you were going to have a meeting with speaker yesterday. No matter a press conference. I'm accusing speaker I'm going meeting, no.
Or accusing is when you state a statement of fact,
the speaker no is
so speaker is about criticism.
No,
it wasn't criticism. You attacked him.
How? What were the words?
He was attacked.
What was the words?
Or tried to favor the NDC. Try to reduce their numbers just to favor the NDC.
Their numbers is already reduced, so that wouldn't have been an issue.
All right, on that note of our numbers are already reduced, we say thank you. Lawyer George Opon is here. We thank you so much. Sana Hussein headmaster.
Now headmaster suspended students.
Without how far this committee.